Truck
What's
cooking
up,
with
y'all?
Trucker's
Truckers
Life curry
Life, and we
chicken over
back with another
cauliflower rice.
masterpiece. Well, I wouldn't call it a masterpiece. I call it something special. You feel me? But nah, gotta take the pot, cook it in, plug it in, where I can see the light thing. Okay, it's on. Gonna take some olive oil. Yeah, I know it ain't no expensive olive oil. I'm a truck driver. We get what we get. I make the best out of what I get. Pour a little bit on there. Yeah, see? Get olive oil in there. And we're gonna take some fresh tomatoes that I diced up and some fresh onions I diced up. Put them in here on top of it. Put it all in there together. Yeah, I know it's a lot of onion, but guess what? This dish calls for it. Now, as y'all know, if y'all follow me, y'all know I don't like crunchy onions. So I gotta cook these down real good. Mix them around. Grab my spoon I took out. So just get it all coated in the olive oil so they can cook down. We're gonna let this cook down just like this. Just like this. And then I gotta chop up some more stuff to put in here. But these are gonna be the longest to cook, so gotta get those going first. Of course, we're gonna take the salt right here. Take some salt, put it right here. Sprinkle some salt on there because that'll help set the moisture out. I got the shaker, so I gotta, well, not shaker, I got the grinder, so I gotta do it over here. So I gotta use both hands. But trust me, y'all don't want to miss this video. But I'll holler at y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we back. Y'all see the stuff is the onions and tomatoes are pretty cooked. Put a little bit of ginger and a little teaspoon of garlic. Right in there. And then we're gonna mix it and I'll be y'all see. All right, y'all, we back. And we about to put the chicken in. We got the chicken going in. Just like this. Just spread it around a little bit. And the mushrooms. You can't have this without mushrooms. Mushrooms just give it that extra flavor. Now I'm gonna show y'all the seasonings I put in. This is part 2. The first part was how I cooked the vegetables. If you want to skip part 2, part 1, that's fine. Got a little bit of ground turmeric, just a little bit. Here we go. A little bit of crushed red peppers because you can't find the Scotch bonnets in America very easy, so you got to replace them with the crushed red peppers. Curry powder. You gotta know where I'm going now, huh? There we go. Because you gotta remember, we already got salt and pepper in here. You got some paprika. And we're gonna have to let this cook down, and we'll be back. All right, y'all, we're gonna put a little bit more, we're gonna put some more olive oil. Just a little bit more. Just mix it around town. This is Flavor Town right here, baby. Let me cover this. We're gonna take this and I'll be right back. What y'all gonna realize tonight is it's not like all of my other meals. This is actually a keto friendly meal. I'm not using regular rice. Okay, we're gonna move the pots around. We got a quarter stick of keto butter. And we're going. It's already plugged in. And we got some cauliflower, some riced cauliflower. We're going to put that in here. Yes, the curry, right? The curry is going on top of keto rice. I'm trying to lose some guttage. Just go. Because if y'all realize everything in here is fresh. And I'm going to cover this up. And we'll be back. That's part 3. And this is the finale right here, baby. We got some half and half. A little bit of that in there. This is 16 ounces. I put about 6 to 8 ounces in. And then we're going to take some sour cream. You know, it's different. I never said I follow recipes. I said I do everything my way. 2 tablespoons, or 2 teaspoons. And just mix it around till everything blends in. And we'll be back for a plate up. All right, y'all, time to plate up. And here we go. Take some of this cauliflower rice right in the middle. Put it down. A little bit more. This is a keto-friendly meal again. Okay? Okay. There's some of this curry, this chicken curry mix right here. Right there. There we go. Pour some of the sauce on it. Gosh, shit. There we go. Pour some of this curry sauce on it. And we're done, y'all. What that look like to y'all? That is a curry chicken over keto-friendly cauliflower rice. And hey, I'm about to eat this, and then I'm taking my ass to bed because I'm exhausted. But I love y'all, and I'll see y'all on another day.